Welcome to the world of FR clips. This is the newest clip I will present to you, presented by FRKJR and Rakishid. In this video, I will show you how you can create an account in Roposo app. This is the new app where you can create lots of money. Let's go for it. Play Store, where Roposo has been given 4.2 stars. Oh yeah! And it has been downloaded 50 million plus. Wow! Let's open it. Yeah, we have successfully opened. Now you have to just put your number into it. Where I successfully log in this Roposo app, where you can choose any language. I will choose Hindi because it has been speak more time. So let's see for it Hindi, where we can go into it. Roposo app, very good app. Let's see, where you can swipe out. I'm proud to use Indian Apna video app. Wow, that's great. Like, so this is the FR clips, where we can change the DP and you can earn money. So this was the video where I was showing to you how to sign out in this amazing Roposo app. If you like this video, then like it. If you want to express your views on this video, then comment it. And if you want to share this information to your friends, then share it. And if you want to more videos, if you want to watch more videos like exclusive videos on this channel, then subscribe the damn channel. Oh yeah, have a yap up day.